The human body, a marvel of evolution, a biological machine, and one of the most complex structures in the known universe. But beyond what we see in textbooks, there lies a universe of mysteries. From your glowing skin to electric thoughts, here are the most mind-blowing, bizarre, and unknown facts about the human body that will leave you speechless. So buckle up and stay with us for the next 20 minutes as we take a deep dive into yourself. Like never before, let's begin at the command center, your brain. It makes up just 2% of your body weight, but uses 20% of your energy. What? Because your brain is an electrical powerhouse. It can produce enough electricity to power a light bulb. Yes, about 20 watts. And here's something more surreal. Your brain can't feel pain. It processes it, but it has no pain receptors of its own. What's even stranger? Your gut has its own brain, known as the enteric nervous system. Your intestines are packed with over 100 million neurons, more than the spinal cord. That gut feeling, it's real. Every time you make a memory, your brain literally changes shape, creating new neural pathways instantly. That's how fast you learn. And when you dream, parts of your brain light up just like they do in real life. Your dreams might not be fantasy after all. Your heart never sleeps. It beats over 100,000 times a day. That's 35 million times a year, without a single break. Now imagine this. If you stretched out all your blood vessels, they would form a network over 100,000 kilometers long, enough to circle the Earth 2.5 times. And blood, it's not just red. Under different oxygen levels, it can appear dark blue, purple, or even greenish in rare animals. In humans, venous blood looks bluish under the skin due to how light penetrates. Let's talk bones. Babies are born with around 270 bones, but adults only have 206. Why? Because many bones fuse as we grow. Here's a powerful fact. Your thigh bone, or femur, is stronger than concrete, an ounce 4 ounce. The masseter, your jaw muscle, is the strongest muscle in the body. Sight, smell, sound, tastes, and touch. These senses are more powerful than you think. Your eyes can distinguish over 10 million colors, and every person has a unique pattern of blood vessels in their retina, like a fingerprint, but your eyes also have a blind spot, a place with no light receptors, yet you never notice it because your brain fills in the blanks. And yes, humans glow in the dark. Bioluminescence is real. We emit tiny amounts of light, but it's 1,000 times weaker than what the eye can detect. Your sense of smell? It can detect up to 1 trillion different scents and is closely linked to memory. That's why a single smell can take you back decades. Taste buds regenerate every 10 to 14 days, but as you age, your sense of taste weakens. That's why grandma might like stronger flavors. And your tongue print? Completely unique. No two are the same. Let's get microscopic. Your body contains around 37 trillion cells, each performing thousands of tasks every second. But did you know that you shed around 500 million skin cells every day? Most of the dust in your house is actually dead human skin and DNA. The code of life is vast. If you took the DNA from every cell in your body and stretched it out, it would reach the sun and back over 600 times. But here's the kicker. You are more bacteria than human. There are about 39 trillion bacterial cells in your body, outnumbering human cells slightly. Luckily, most of them are friendly. You also produce 1 to 2 liters of mucus per day, and it plays a critical role in trapping dust and germs. Sleep isn't just rest, it's repair. During deep sleep, your brain activates a cleaning system known as the glymphatic system, flushing out waste and toxins that build up during the day. Dreams, they may be your brain's way of testing ideas and preparing for future challenges, like a simulation. And here's a fun fact. Humans are the only species that delay sleep on purpose. Goosebumps are a leftover from our ancestors. Back when puffing up body hair helped them look larger and stay warm. You produce enough saliva in your lifetime to fill 2 swimming pools, and your stomach gets a new lining every 3 to 4 days. Otherwise, it would digest itself. Your fingernails grow faster on your dominant hand, and men's nails generally grow faster than women's. Right now, your body is fighting a war, and you don't even know it. Your immune system is constantly detecting, attacking, and remembering viruses, bacteria, and other threats. White blood cells patrol your bloodstream like miniature soldiers. Macrophages literally eat invaders and clean up cell debris. T cells can remember enemies for life, which is how vaccines work. But here's something shocking. Your immune system can recognize and destroy a cancer cell in milliseconds. But sometimes, cancer learns to hide by mimicking healthy cells. That's one reason why tumors can grow undetected. And did you know? Stress weakens your immune system. Chronic stress can actually shrink the thymus gland, which is responsible for producing immune cells. What are the limits of the human body? You can survive without food for over 3 weeks. But without water, only 3 to 5 days. Your lungs can hold up to 6 liters of air, yet we use only a fraction of that in normal breathing. The liver can regenerate itself. You can donate part of it and grow it back. And now for some superpowers. Hyperthymesia, a rare condition where people remember nearly every detail of their lives. Synesthesia, where senses merge. People might see sounds or taste colors. Tetrachromacy. Some women have 4 types of cone cells in their eyes and can see up to 100 million colors. One more, your bones are constantly rebuilding. You get a new skeleton every 10 years through natural regeneration. Some of the most amazing things your body does happen without you noticing. You blink around 15 to 20 times per minute. That's 28,000 times a day. Each blink spreads oils and moisture to protect your eyes. Your kidneys filter about 50 gallons of blood a day, producing around 1.5 liters of urine. Here's something even stranger. When you blush, your stomach lining blushes too. It turns red along with your cheeks. The acids in your stomach are strong enough to dissolve metal, yet your stomach is protected by mucus lining. Let's end with a rapid-fire round of body facts. Your ears never stop hearing. Your brain just learns to ignore constant noise while you sleep. Hair is technically dead tissue, but it can survive for centuries after death. Your liver performs over 500 vital functions. You can survive with just 1 kidney, 1 lung, or half a brain, and still live a functional life. You fart on average 14 times a day. It's healthy and means your gut bacteria are active. Your fingerprints never change, even after burns. They usually grow back the same. The more we discover about the human body, the more we realize we don't know everything. We are living, thinking, evolving organisms, and every cell, every breath, every blink tells a story of survival, complexity, and beauty. Your body is a temple, a machine, a lab, and a miracle all in one. So the next time you wonder how amazing the universe is, don't forget, you are the most fascinating part of it. Stay curious. Stay human. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe my channel.